Zoom pricing review. Watch before using. In this video, we'll be diving deep into Zoom's pricing structure to help you understand what you're getting for your money and if it's the right fit for you. Zoom is one of the most popular video conferencing tools available, used by businesses, educators, and individuals alike. It offers various plans tailored to different needs, so it's important to know which one gives you the best value for your situation. Let's start with the free plan, which offers basic features perfect for casual users or small teams. With the free plan, you get unlimited one-on-one meetings and group meetings up to 40 minutes. However, after the 40-minute limit, the meeting ends, which can be a deal breaker for longer sessions. This plan includes core features like virtual backgrounds, screen sharing, and chat, but you miss out on advanced tools like cloud recording and webinar capabilities. Next, Zoom offers the Pro plan, which costs around $14.99 per month per host. This plan is ideal for small businesses or those who need longer meeting times. You get all the features of the free plan, plus unlimited group meeting durations, 1 GB cloud recording, and reporting tools. It also lets you schedule meetings and integrate with Google Calendar and Outlook. The Pro plan also unlocks features like streaming to social media and meeting transcription, which is a big plus for professionals who need to document their sessions. For larger teams or businesses, the business plan is priced at $19.99 per month per host. It includes everything in the Pro plan, but adds branding options, more cloud storage, up to 1 TB, and admin features for team management. The business plan is perfect for companies that need larger meeting capacity, as it allows up to 300 participants. You also get more advanced reporting and analytics, which can be essential for managing teams and tracking performance. Finally, the Enterprise plan, which starts at $19.99 per month per host, but requires at least 100 hosts, offers even more premium features. This plan includes unlimited cloud storage, dedicated customer support, and the ability to host meetings with up to 500 participants. It's designed for larger enterprises with complex needs, offering extra security, scalability, and customization options. To wrap up, Zoom offers a pricing structure that can meet the needs of a range of users, from casual users to large enterprises. The free plan is great for basic use, but the paid plans unlock advanced features that are invaluable for teams and businesses. By selecting the right plan, you can ensure that you're getting the most value from Zoom's robust video conferencing tool.